Hi, this is Vivian from Alibaba Cloud database team. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to build Redash data dashboard with Alibaba Cloud database. In this tutorial, we are going to use PostgreSQL, and you can also link it to like RDS MySQL, PolarDB, and ClickHouse, and so on. So let's get started. The cloud database connection has been successfully built. The user behavior data in Taobao app was imported in this database. It includes the columns of user ID, user behavior, item category, datetime, and so on. We're going to use Redash to illustrate the insights of the data and see in 2014 the turning point in Alibaba Group's mobile commerce business about the huge success on Double 12 Shopping Festival. So this dataset could be obtained from Alibaba Cloud Tianchi platform and the link below. And there are also a bunch of interesting open dataset on Tianchi platform that you could download and hands on your own data scientist practice. To build your own data dashboard, you need to create query and visualize the query. So basically, it's the chart. And you could create multiple charts with one query. So once you create and publish multiple queries and charts, you can create a dashboard with adding a chart or data tables that you just created to customize your own data dashboards. Thank you for watching. Please follow us on our GitHub tutorial, as well as if you have any questions, please feel free to send me email or get connection on my LinkedIn. And thank you.